Ever felt like your Gemini withdrawal is taking forever? You're not alone. Let's dive deep into the world of Gemini withdrawals and figure out what's actually happening with your funds. First things first, the withdrawal speed from Gemini can vary depending on a few key factors. We're talking about withdrawal method. Crypto withdrawals, generally the fastest, often happening within minutes or a few hours. Bank transfers can take longer, usually 1 to 3 business days. ACH transfers, typically 1 to 5 business days. Wire transfers, usually the slowest, taking 1 to 5 business days. Network congestion. Crypto networks can get congested, leading to slower transaction confirmations. This can impact withdrawal times, especially during peak periods. Gemini's processing time. Gemini itself has internal processing times for security checks and authorizations. Your account activity. If you're a new user or have recently increased your withdrawal limits, there might be slight delays for extra security checks. Now, let's break down some common withdrawal scenarios. Withdrawing crypto to an external wallet. The process: you'll typically enter the recipient's wallet address, review the transaction details, and confirm the withdrawal. Speed, usually the fastest option, often occurring within minutes or a few hours. Factors: network congestion can significantly impact speed. For example, Bitcoin withdrawals might be slower during periods of high network activity. Withdrawing fiat currency to your bank account. The process: you'll typically enter your bank account details, review the transaction, and confirm the withdrawal. Speed, this varies depending on the withdrawal method. Bank transfers, 1 to 3 business days. ACH transfers, 1 to 5 business days. Wire transfers, 1 to 5 business days. Factors: bank processing times, weekend delays, and potential bank holidays can all contribute to longer wait times. Tips to speed up your Gemini withdrawals. Choose the fastest method. Opt for crypto withdrawals whenever possible, as they are generally the quickest. Avoid peak hours. If withdrawing crypto, try to avoid times of high network congestion. Verify your account. Ensure your account is fully verified to minimize delays. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to Gemini's customer support for assistance. Troubleshooting withdrawal issues. Check transaction status. Use the Gemini app or website to track the status of your withdrawal. Review withdrawal history. Check for any previous successful withdrawals to understand typical processing times. Contact Gemini support. If you suspect an issue, reach out to Gemini's customer support team. They can investigate the problem and provide assistance. Important considerations. Withdrawal limits. Gemini may have withdrawal limits based on your account verification level and activity. Security. Always double-check recipient addresses before confirming any withdrawal. Fees. Be aware of any associated withdrawal fees. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method and cryptocurrency. Let's address some common questions. Why is my withdrawal taking so long? Possible reasons: network congestion, bank processing times, weekend delays, or potential issues with your account. How can I track my withdrawal? Tracking. Use the Gemini app or website to track the status of your withdrawal. What should I do if my withdrawal is delayed? Action. Contact Gemini's customer support for assistance. Withdrawal times are estimates and can vary. Gemini is not responsible for delays caused by external factors like network congestion or bank processing times. This information is for general guidance only and may not be applicable in all situations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.